Good day, Daisians! This is Teacher Cristel and welcome to our class on Mathematics 3. For this episode, we will discuss about the factors and multiples of a number, and we will identify if it is prime or composite numbers. When we say factors, these are the numbers that you multiply to get an answer or product. And we can get the multiples of a number by simply having a skip count. Let's try to figure out the factors of 6. So we have 1 times 6 is 6, and we also have 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Therefore, 6 is a composite number. Now, let's find out the multiples of 6. So we need to skip count only by 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Next, we have 5. So the numbers that we multiply to find the product of 5 is 1 times 5. So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. A while ago, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. So we conclude that 5 is a prime number. Next, 20. The numbers that we multiply to find the product of 20 are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Therefore, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Therefore, 20 is a composite number. And the first 5 multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Next, we have 11. What are the numbers that we need to multiply to find the product of 11? It's 1 times 11. So the factors are 1 and 11 only. So 11 is a prime number.